Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video, and today I will be doing a Valentine's Day makeup look. Pretty in pink, make them go crazy, date night type thing, giving real feminine vibes. This look is very easy, and I'm no makeup artist, so I feel like if I can do it, you can do it. I will also put the products in the description box, and yeah, let's get cute for date night, girls.
It's not what I say, it's what I'm doing and how I'm doing it.
Okay, so first I'm going to go in and hydrate my face, and I'm going to go in with the Fenty Skin. It's just a regular hydrating. I'm not gonna put too much. I just want to kind of get some smoothness to my face, because my face can get super dry, like y'all, it be crusty dry. So my primer is pretty tacky, so I'll make sure that it has some kind of base to glide on, because tacky primers on dry skin is a no-no. So first things first, I'm going to go in with my primer, and the primer that I'm using, as you guys already know, y'all see my channel, we're going in with the e.l.f. primer, and just do a little dab. It don't take much. Okay. Use my hand to rub it in. It's more like a pat for me. And then I go in with my foundation. And when I say I've had this foundation for a very long time, it's pretty much empty. Like, you can see through it. But it is the Maybelline Superstay Active Wear in the color 360 Mocha. I use like 3 squirts around my face. Do not put it on my forehead just because it's too much product in such a small area. Brush I use is the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. It's my fave, absolute favorite. And I'm patting it in, making sure to get my cheek area before I go in and do under eye area. Oop, don't be doing that. Don't be doing that. Do around surrounding areas. Then I come up. Get my nose. Period, queen. It's giving smooth skin. And I know it is like a color darker than my skin, but I like that because it just goes well with my concealer. Now, the concealer I'm using is the Pro Touch. I think that's just who it's by. Oh, it's by Kiss Pro Touch Full Cover Concealer in the color Cappuccino. Nice little amount. I don't do the inner and outer corner. I'm sorry, it's just not for me. I need to go ahead and do my triangles. Back in the day, I'm a millennial, baby. Okay, this is how we learn. This is how I'm sticking to it. I don't experience creasing or any of those problems, so this is what I do. Tab it on the chin, in between my eyebrows, and yes, I'm going to do my eyebrows. I do them last. And do my cheek, other cheek, now being that my primer is very tacky, I do not let it dry out. I like to blend seamlessly right after application, so yeah, I'm gonna blend that out. that nice and smooth. Bringing it under my nose. Head, bringing it down the bridge of my nose. So then I'm going to go in with my foundation brush and I'm going to soften the edges of the concealer spots, mainly my cheeks. You don't want that non-blended cheek look, girl. That is not cute. Not cute at all. Don't forget the insides of your nose. I'm going to conceal. I'm going to contour, but that blend before contouring is very important. Okay, now it's time to set, and I'm going to go in with the translucent honey. I have tape on it because I travel with this and I don't want this to spill. But translucent honey and, oh no, it's Lori. I can't never say this girl name. Y'all know this. It's her, and it's in translucent honey. So yeah, and I need to get me a little triangle thing, but I've been using this one for I don't know how long. But it always gets in my eye every single time. Okay, so now to contour, I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty in contour stick in espresso, and I'm going to put this right under my cheekbone and like make a little Now, the reason that I do my eyebrows, eyes, and stuff after like my face is because it just makes my nose contour look a little bit more natural, and I need this to be a clear space so I can shake that out first and then do my eyebrows and my eyes. You'll see later. I'm going to come in, come down, just like that. Come in that hood. Bring it forward and down my nose. See that? And that's as far as I go. And I want to make sure I get that corner that's going to actually pinch the nose. This one's a circular motion. Gotta put something back there, but make sure you get here. That line has to be blended. Now for my nose, I'm going to use a different contour brush. And it's a little bit more compact and small to go to my nose. And I'm just going to be pressing and bringing down with a nice tap. I do not swipe. Tap and bring down, trying to get closer to the inside of my nose. The whole time I've been recording, my mic has been off. Yep. Voiceover it is. So guys, I got an external microphone and this is my first time trying to use it while recording, and it was at this moment that I realized that I wasn't recording, but I forgot that my camera has an in camera mic, and that's what I've been using this whole video. So I played myself and stopped talking, forgetting that my camera has a mic. So voiceover for the rest of the video. But yeah, we're gonna jump into my eyebrows, and I like to brush my eyebrows up before I start. And I go in with the NYX glue, eyebrow glue. And what I want to focus on is making sure that I create the shape before I start drawing in with any product. I like for my hairs to go up and then to create the arch at the end of my brow. And I'm just going to basically do that with the spoolie and the eyebrow glue. And once I get it to the shape that I like, I'm going to go in with the leftover translucent powder, and I'm going to put that on my eyebrows to basically set it and make sure that it doesn't move before I go in with any product. So the actual product that I'm going to be using is the Julia's Place chocolate palette, and I'm going to go in with some setting spray and spray my actual brush, and I'm going in with that powder and just making sure that the outer lines are matching up. I'm going to also fix the tail of my eyebrow and basically just fill in any gaps that happen after that. And that's pretty much what I do to my eyebrows. I like it to look a little bit more natural with the shape. So yeah. But now for my eyeshadow look, the reason you click on this video, I'm going to go in with the Morphe 35V palette. And I'm going to go in with this brown shade. It's my crease color that I often use. And I'm just going to basically press that into the crease. Now, being that my face is already complete, I want to make sure that I'm blowing off excess powder so there's no fallout on my concealer under my eye. Once I like the way my crease looks, I'm going to go into this Hip Dot palette. Guys, I don't remember where I got this palette, but really love the shades that they have in here. So I'm going to go in this pink shade, the lighter pink shade, and I'm going to put that in my inner crease for my eyelid. I'm going to make sure that I press this eyeshadow into my eyelid to make sure that it is pigmented and that the powder doesn't fall on my face. And I continue to just layer and layer and layer until it's the boldness that I'm looking for. After that, I'm going to go into the same palette and go into a darker pink, and I'm going to put this closer to the outer corner but on top of the lid. It's like center of my lid, and I'm going to press it the same way I did the inner corner. This is going to give it like a gradient effect. It's going to give it dimension, and it's also going to transition into that outer corner that we have in the crease. So now I'm going to go back into that Morphe 35V palette, and I'm going to go into this brown, and I'm going to use a smaller blending brush, and this is basically going to give me that dark cat eye look, and this is basically going to round up that pink and give it more of a subtle look. And to finish it off, I'm going to go in with a small smudging brush, and I'm going to go in that second dark pink and put that under my eye. I basically go from the outer corner all the way up into my pupil. Next are my eyelashes, and I'm going in with INV Luxury Mink 3D in the number 1. I'm going to put these on off camera, and I'm making sure that I cut off the outer corner so that it shapes my eye. Next for my lips, I'm going in the Ruby Kisses Forever Matte in the color Cocoa Craze for my outer lining. And for the inside, I'm going to go in with a pinker shade in the color Angel Wings. And then I'm going to top with my favorite lip gloss. But that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, be blessed.
It's not what I say, it's what I'm doing.